Hello friends, I am Manju Gupta from India. I am a Hindi teacher for beginners. Welcome to Learn Hindi Daily, Day 3. Every day we learn 5 Hindi words that help you speak Hindi naturally. Today's words are easy, useful, and perfect for beginners. So grab your notebooks, repeat the words with me, and let's get started. Namaste, happy learning. Day 3, Daily 5 Hindi words with Manju Gupta. So, are you ready to learn today 5 color in Hindi? Oh, great. This video is for beginners, fun and easy learning. So, today we will learn name of colors. रंगों के नाम. Name of colors. Name of colors. रंगों के नाम. रंगों के नाम. Oh, red colored pencil. This is my pencil. Oh, great. Wow, it is dancing. Red. Red. This is a red color. ये लाल रंग है. First, I will repeat 2 times in Hindi. Then you will repeat 2 times after me. Okay. This is a pencil. Which color is this? Red color. Lal. 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 Repeat after me. Lal. Next color is देख लेते हैं C. Oh, this is a tortoise. Wow, it's a green color. Green. Green. See, this is a green color. ये हरा रंग है. हरा. हरा. Which color is this? हरा. हरा. My tortoise is, which color is this? हरा. My tortoise is हरा. मेरा कछुआ हरे रंग का है. Next word is oh my god, fish. Blue fish. Wow. Blue fish. Blue. Blue. It's the same color. Neela. Repeat after me. Neela. 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 Next color. Which color is coming? Oh my god. Next color is yellow. It's a banana. Banana. Yellow color. Yellow. Oh my god. See, same color is letters also. Yellow. Yellow. Peela. Repeat after me. Peela. 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 Which color is this? Peela. Banana is peela. Yellow. केला पीले रंग का है. Next color coming. Oh, black cat is coming. No, wow. Black. Cat is black. Kala. Repeat after me. Kala. Kala. Repeat after me. Kala. Cat is black. बिल्ली काली है. Next, today's words recap. So, are you ready? Lal, red. See, font color is also red. Lal, lal. Oh, hara, 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 hara. Green, hara, green. Neela, neela, blue. Next color is peela, yellow. Kala, black. So children, today we learned 5 color words. Red, yani lal, green, hara, blue, neela, yellow, peela, black, kala. So today's question is for you. Can you answer? What is in Hindi? What we call green in Hindi? See the color. What we call green in Hindi? You are having 3 options: lal, hara, and peela. Lal, hara, and peela. This is your question. Note and give me answer in chat box if you like my video. Oh, great job. Great job. Subscribe for day 4. Learn Hindi every day. We'll meet tomorrow for new series, new words with you. Bye.